Yesterday, just to recap quickly, we have finished CAD function, almost all except LPAD and RPAD, and I'm pretty sure you might have gone through these topics, right? Let's see some of the seal floor function example. Okay, and then we'll jump to last day, and here we'll do one conversion function, and I will show you decode NPL and callless. Okay, since we have like half an hour time left, so let me just quickly start. So number function, let's talk about seal. If I'm going to write, guys, select 2, 3, 4 plus 4, 5, 6. So this 2, 3, 4 and 4, 5, 6 is belong to any column or no? Any one of you? It do not belong to any table, right?
Yeah.
So if you write something in select statement, which is not from any table, for that we write dual. And if you are just going to run it, it will give you some value. So SQL works as calculator also, okay? If you are planning to do some calculation and all, try it on SQL also. Now let's move forward, and I'm going to write a value here, 234.56. And here also, I'm going to apply a seal function. Okay. And on same value, what I'm going to do, I'm going to apply floor function. Let me see who can give me this answer. This is more related to common sense. This seal floor looks like English word also, right? So do you guys have any idea what may be the value for this? Anyone?
469.
Okay. And if I'm just going to write here, comma, guys, okay? Just to make sure you guys first get separately. So now what will be the value, guys, for seal 234.56?
235.
And what about floor?
234.56.
Okay. Anyone else? And guys, just speak up, okay? Don't just keep watching. Otherwise, to watch, you have YouTube. There are a lot of media where you can just go and watch video SQL session, right? Since you join live class, so just speak up, guys, and see. It will help you when you are going to work in industry. Whenever any meeting is happening, you should always try to put your point as well.
Yeah, so seal what it will do, it like it is 234.56, it will round off.
Mm-hmm.
So it will come around like 230, it is 235.
Okay. And what
floor
about floor?
I think it will be 234.
Good, man. Let me run it and see what's happening here. So that's right. So see, if you are at 234th floor, got it? And there is something in middle. So what will be seal of that particular apartment? Suppose one apartment is on 234th floor. What will be ceiling number for that? It will be 235. And basically the floor of the apartment will be 234, right?
Someone is asking for something.
Go ahead. Who is asking what? Please speak up.
Sir, I have one doubt, sir.
Hello.
Yes. Go
Sir,
ahead, please.
how it will get 235 and 234, sir? Seal, explain it to seal meaning and floor meaning, sir.
Sure, sure. So see, number system, right? If I can
It's
write here,
it's
let's
more or
write
like typecasting, right?
let's write 4.56 here. Okay. And then we'll go to 234. So when you suppose you are going to live in a building,
Want to connect with your schema, sir? Can you just provide the details?
okay, so let me finish the class first. And if anyone having issues in login or not getting access on Vaanii or database, please message Priyanka. And Priyanka, add them in group chat, okay? And
Okay.
then she will help you. And good point, guys. You guys are asking. If you don't have access, that's good to see. So see, if you are staying in a building, got it? And this is, you are living on 4th floor. Got it? So this is your building, and here it is 5th floor. Now, if you are living here, what will be your floor number on this floor? So your floor number is 4, right? So in US, basically, the floor number starts from 1, but in our country, in India, we say ground floor and then floor 1, 2, like that, right? So basically, that is the number, that is the floor number. Got it? So if anyone is just staying on 4th floor, it means floor number is 4. That is the ground, right? And just above of that, your ceiling will be belong to which floor number? Willing to, like it will belong from 5th. In case of number system, let me just explain you. Whenever you go like 4 and then you have 5, and if any number in between, right? Suppose this is 4.3 or 4.2. So floor will be just backward number and seal will be just forward number. Got it? So basically in real life also you have floor and ceiling, right? Just on top of your head is ceiling and below is floor. Similar way, here also in database, we used function which comes under seal and floor. Got it? So seal means just greater integer from this, and floor means just a smaller integer from this number. Is it clear to all of you, or if there is some confusion? Anyone? No confusion? Okay. So let's move forward. And guys, LinkedIn request, I may not be accept from all of you because that is little bit more related to profession. Okay. And you can get access from us on Vaanii and database. Okay. So few of you looks like a little bit disappointed if I'm not accepting the request. I have not went there, but yeah, I will go there and accept some of the request, okay? If not all of you. Now, there are another function called trunk and round. So let's see what is trunk and round. And I'm going to put same example again, just to see how it works. So let's talk about trunk first. So I'm writing here trunk 4.56. And I'm going to write here 4.36. Let's see how it works, guys. Any one of you can tell me what will be the value of these two?
4.6
delete
and
the data.
4.4.
That row, it will be deleted.
It will be deleted. Okay.
Yeah.
So, Aman, like this is just single row function, okay? Single row function will not delete or modify any data in the table. It will just show you result like that. Okay. I guess you are getting confused in truncate. I will
Yeah.
come
Sorry.
to that. No
Okay.
problem. I know. I will come to that truncate next week. Okay.
Okay.
So let's see how it works, guys. So if you are just going to do trunk, what it does, it's a very cruel function. Got it? Why I'm saying cruel? It will just simply remove the decimal part. Got it? But if I'm writing here, comma 1, and let's see what will happen in that case. Any one of you have any idea? No? 1 is here. After decimal, how many digits you are asking this function to keep? Got it?
4.5 and 4.3.
That's right. So guys, this trunk function is clear to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
All of
So
you just
if it is written 2, it means it will keep both 5 and 6 both, right?
correct, of course.
Okay. Thank you.
But I have not explained you the minus part. I'm leaving it on you guys. Okay? So let's run this one also and see what is happening. And if I'm going to write 8, and here I'm going to write, suppose 3. And if you will see, now you understood minus how it works, right?
Yes, sir.
Minus means move to left side of the digit. Okay, now let's talk about round. And guys, just stop me whenever you are not understanding the concept, because habitually I don't move faster, but due to time constraint, I'm moving a little bit more faster, okay?
Hello.
No, sir.
Okay,
It's
sir.
okay, sir. It's very good. The pace
Hello,
is
sir.
very good.
Okay, yeah, go ahead, please.
Today is my first day. I'm not understanding anything.
You can watch the recordings in YouTube.
Yeah, so
So,
don't worry,
you
man.
can look after this class. We have
Correct.
YouTube channel, yeah. So you can look it, bro.
Correct. So see, up like last 5 minutes, I will explain you guys if any one of you missed the classes. So very good question. And Priyanka, jot down the name of what is your name. You can just message to Priyanka and she will add you in the group. Okay. So let's move forward and talk about similar function trunk. And let me see if you guys can get this round function now. Round, and I will not start, of course, with -1. That's not a good number, right? Let's start with without any argument here. And let me write here 96 and 26. Okay. What do you feel that in normal case also, right? If we bargain with someone saying, hey, can you make this price as round figure? You might have gone to some of the bargain shops, right? Nowadays, it's fixed price kind of shop you guys might be visiting, but in normal market and all, where fixed price do not work much, you might have bargained the price, right? How many of you bargain Anyone here
I
on some
can't, sir,
prices?
because I can't bargain because I am introvert.
Good, good. So we have some guys who already know how to bargain and how to make it round, right? You might be
Yeah.
asking if suppose shopkeeper told you, no, you know what, this t-shirt I can give you in suppose 75 dollars. Then you may be saying, oh no, make it round, man. So what will come under the round? It will come 70, right? And if that guy is saying, okay, $70.28, and if you will say, make it round, so he will make the number like, right? I'm not going to tell the story because otherwise it will just tell the answer itself of this query, right? So let's first talk about this guy. Round 48.96, how much it will come up?
So it will come around 49 because it is more than 48.50. So it will come around 49 and round 43.26 because it is less than 43.50. So it will come at 43.
Oh, little bit wrong, like wrong, man. Let me see if anyone else can give me the correct answer.
First one will go to 50 and second one will go to 40.
Okay, anyone else? No? Okay,
Yeah.
so
First one will come at 50 and second one will come at 40.
you know what my trick to work here. So let me tell you what was that trick. Whoever guy gave me the first answer, he was very much correct. But I
No,
confused
I
you
gave the
guys,
first
right?
answer.
Yes. So I confused you just to check if you guys are very confident or not. And then you trapped in that net and started giving little wrong answers.
Wrong. I
So
gave the
let's see.
correct.
I know, I know. Yes, so see if you will see the result here, and it is of course that's correct also, right? If it is 48.96, so $48.96. So if you will round up, then it should go to $49. But if it is $43.26, then it will come under 43. Now let me make little bit more tough. Let's make it as uh, 53 cent, and here I'm going to make 48 cent. Now it's not very easy, right? So tell me the answer now.
49 and this is 43.
Mm-hmm. Anyone else?
Sorry,
same,
first
sir,
one will
same,
be
same.
40. First will be 49,
48
second
and
one will be
43.
43.
Okay, anyone else
Yes.
here?
Yeah, same, sir.
48, 40, 49, 43.
Okay, let's run it and see. So 49 and 43. Let's write one more, and that is going to be much more confusing and controversial. I'm going to write here 50. Okay, now give me the answer, guys.
It will be 43.
Anyone else?
It will be 44. Sorry, first will be 49, second will be 43, third will be 44.
Just give the answer for third itself, okay? Other two I
44.
already.
44.
Okay.
44.
So one is saying 43, one is saying 44, and I'm pretty sure lot of you might have this 43 and 44 answer, right?
44 will be the answer.
43 only.
Okay, so let's execute it. So it is
Oh,
40.
wow.
It
Yeah,
means
because the logic says because anything like it comes after 50 or after that it will take it as a 44 or it like
correct,
yeah, that way.
correct. And if I'm going to write here -1, -1, and -1, let's see what will be the answer. In this case, it is just going to round up. Okay. Now you guys understood a number function. Let me move forward to date part or conversion function. So guys, the date is made up of 6 components. What are the components? Day number,
Last day,
month, year,
DDMM. Wait.
correct, hour, minutes, and second. There are sometime millisecond and all also, but these many. So if you want to display today's date, what you will write here? So in Oracle, we write sysdate from dual. Okay. And if you will just go and execute it, you can see the date here. Now, what I want, you can take any of the component like this from this date. So all the component is made up of character. And when we accumulate all these things, it becomes a date. Got it? How to get any part out of that? So you can use toChar. Got it? What toChar will give you? toChar will give you component of this date. But which component you want? Suppose I want which month it is. Got it? So it will give you that particular month. Suppose I want day number. Got it? Or if you will write just DD, it will give you day number. If you want just day name, you can just write like this. And if you want full name, you can write day. Okay? So in this way, you can keep writing. If you will write first letter in cap, it will give you in this format. So any of the component, you can just cut it off from date using toChar. Got it? Okay. Now let's move forward. Similar way, you can get to number, to date, and all these. Guys, go through our topics and you will get it very much explanatory video there. I explain there, so you guys can go through that. Here, I just want to show you path so that you can, how you understand these concepts, and in detail, of course, you guys need to know. You can just refer our recording also, okay, if you did not get much. I just have only 10 minutes for today's class, so let me just show you today null function, to NVL and coalesce. And next week also we'll continue because it's total at least 10 hours of session and we are done with almost 5 hours. So explain you there next week. Left this control function, and if some question will come from date part also, we'll explain you. My main goal will be to explain you DDL, DML, join, aggregate, and most important, window function. Okay? Now,
yes, sir.
let's move forward and talk about null. Null is most confusing element in database. Any one of you can define what is null actually?
It means there is no value.
No value. Anyone else?
It means data is not present there.
Okay,
Data is not present there.
got it. So let's see if we have any column having null value here. There is a column called commission percentage, and you will see lot of null in that. Somewhere you will see the value. Most of places it is null. So suppose if I want to display salary plus commission, or just display it separately first. From employees table. So you see a lot of null, right? Suppose I want to know salary plus commission, how much it is coming. What we can do? So basically commission is percentage of the salary. Got it? So if you want to calculate commission amount, what you need to do? You need to multiply salary and commission. Okay. And let's see how much it is coming. So see, we got the column here, salary, we got commission percentage, and then we have salary into commission, right? If you want to give nice name for this calculation, we have to give LES. LES is nothing but it's a nickname, okay? So in your home also, right, you may have your documented name and you may have LES also, where people cut it in half of the name and make it more like shorter and all these things, right? Similar way, if you are doing some calculation or you want to give some short name of that, we use alias. And for alias, you can write as and then the value. Got it? Everyone is clear regarding alias? That is very good concept in database, guys. And many places you will see alias concept. Okay. Now what I want to get, this is basically commission, right? It's not total salary, it's commission amount. Now I want to calculate total salary. What I can do? I have to add salary, right? And commission. So this salary into commission percentage. And now you can give alias as total salary. Guys, I am making it little bit more advanced. So if any one of you not understanding the concept, you guys can let me know. Okay.
Can you repeat that again? Yeah.
Sure. So basically, see, I am doing calculation here to get the percentage, uh, get the commission amount. See, commission percentage is what? Commission percentage is basically fraction of the salary. It's percentage value. Got it? So if it is 0.5 means 0.5 of this salary, means half of the salary. Got it?
Yes, sir.
If somewhere it is 0.2, means it is 20% of this salary. So how we'll get commission amount? When we will multiply
percentage
with
into
salary with commission percentage, right?
Yes.
That's what I did here. But now And what I did here, I added salary and I added the commission amount to get total salary. But do you see here one thing? Salary is $1,000, commission is null, but it's making total as null. Why it's happening like this, guys? Any one of you?
Can you repeat the question?
See, that person's salary is $1,000, right?
Yeah.
But why total salary is null? At least it should be 10,000, right? If salary is 10,000 and commission is null, at least total salary should be 10,000. But it's saying null. Why
Maybe
it's
it's,
like that?
maybe it's mistake.
No mistake here. In technology, there is no any
Because,
mistake here. You have
because
to
data is not present there.
correct. But if data is not present, it could have tell me 10,000, right? Suppose
Correct.
you are getting some salary from your office and commission is null, you should at least get the salary, right? You should not get the null. So let me tell you, commission, this null is unknown, okay, or not available. So suppose, let me pick one of you. Suppose Ajay have $500 and I have some amount. Got it? But I will not tell you how much amount I have. So Ajay amount plus my amount, how much it will be total, guys? Ajay's amount everyone knows, right? In his pocket there are $5,000 in his wallet. I have also some of the dollar, but I don't know how much I have. So if I'm going to do total, what will be the total amount? Any one of you?
Oh yeah, it's going to be null too. Yeah.
It
Because
will be
we don't
unknown again.
know how much money you have. He have 10,000, but we don't know that what will be the total after adding your amount and his amount.
Correct, correct. So this is what null is. If you will add some value or multiply, subtract, and divide with null, it will become null. Got it?
Yes,
So
sir.
in database, there is a function where if it is null, you can substitute some value. How? Using NVL function. So NVL, and suppose that if it is null, I want to substitute it with 0. So now let's see what is happening. Now it's saying wherever the keyword should be there, it's not there. What is the problem here, guys? Any one of you?
After
Can you
total
tell?
salary need to keep
What is that?
after
So,
total salary
Um,
need to keep comma.
let's see here first. Let's first calculate commission amount. Okay. So if you are just going to write here commission percentage and NVL, what is going to happen? So now you can see you are getting commission as 0 here, right? Here commission was null and you have substituted commission with 0 value, means If it is null, then what to do? Then substitute it with 0. Got it? So now you are getting 0 here. And if you are going to multiply salary into this NVL value, what will happen? Now it is coming salary into this value as 0, but somewhere it's coming also, right? Now, if you are just going to calculate total salary on same way, what we have to do? We have to write NVL again here, right? So if you will write NVL, commission percentage, and let's substitute it with 0 and see what will happen. Now you are getting total salary as 1,000. Why? Because commission amount is becoming 0, right? Why it's happening 0? Because you have substituted the value. So if you are just going to write salary here also, and let's display what we are getting here, guys. Salary is 10,000. Yes, commission is null, but calculated commission is 0, right? So that's why total is coming as 10,000. And if you are not substituting here NVL, then it's giving you null. So many places, and why I'm getting the error here, you guys have to suggest me, okay? So now I'm not getting error. So that time, what was the issue? I was selecting some other words also in that. Now, so likewise, whenever you start getting in SQL, you have to go stepwise. Got it? So in industry, many time whoever don't utilize this null value properly, they don't apply that function and they end up getting wrong result. So when you will join and work on database side, managing null is very, very important, and you should be very careful when you are utilizing that. Got it? So that's it for today.